welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this plaque. Now it's really easy to make. This was an actual broken fence panel that I salvaged. These are obviously the sticks because I absolutely love sticks, and these are actually drawing pins, and it was quite easy to poke them through. So if you want to know how I made this, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you're going to have a go yourself, so leave a little comments below. Now I thought about putting a number plaque on the front of my house, so I think I'm going to do the same sort of things, but obviously put numbers on it. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a little thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you would like to subscribe, that would be wonderful, because I've got lots of different projects coming up. And don't forget to press the notification bell, because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.